Here are two quick demos about shapes you may want to use for your invention. You do not need to use all of them. You can add your own ideas or shapes, or you can make some of these shapes more than once. The choice is yours. You can place these images or ideas anywhere you want on your paper. So let's think. Got your invention idea? Then keep watching this video. Otherwise, pause the video until you have an idea. Or get a piece of scrap paper and practice these ideas on a scrap paper before making your invention on your good G piece of paper. Good luck, guys!
Hello, artists! Let's think about inventions. An invention is the action of inventing something, typically a process or device, so creating something new. We need an idea. What is a problem we would like to solve, and what could we make to solve it? I don't know what your invention is going to be, so I can't tell you exactly what to draw, but here are some basic shapes that might help you create your invention. Does your invention need coils or springs? Does your invention need a way to plug in? Think about the shape of your invention and what it needs to do. Does your invention need a way to hold something, like a bucket or a basket? Maybe your invention needs some sort of box to hold things. Remember, these are ideas. You don't have to use them all. You can pick and choose ones that might work for you and your invention. Here, I am going to trace a bottle cap to make a circle. I am going to turn this into a gear by adding these curved lines and then erasing the parts that I don't need. I am adding a spiral in the middle to make it look like it's going around and around. My second circle is overlapping the first circle so that it looks like it fits together like a real gear would. Remember, this is your idea and your invention. You are using your creative skills to solve a problem.
So if you notice, this is a practice piece of paper. This is actually a half sheet of paper, so is this. If you don't believe me, this is what a full sheet of paper would look like. All right, so I just zoomed in. So I'm going to just put this over here, my idea paper. Notice I'm using my good small piece of paper, and I'm going to create my invention. Now, maybe my invention is going to be a game. My game is going to have something that looks like a funnel. So I'm going to start with a skinny oval. And I'm going to make two lines coming down, but notice they're coming down almost like a triangle. If I were to connect them, they would go into a point, and that would make a cone. And here we have a cone right here. I'm going to then curve this line just like this line curves here. And I'm going to add a spot here. And I'm going to add a tube. What do you think? Let's add a tube. So I'm going to curve my line here. And I'm going to add a tube that comes around. And I'm going to stop it there because I need to make this other line perpendicular, or I'm sorry, parallel. That means it goes the same way and they never touch each other. And I have to hop over here. And then I'm going to make it split. Let's have some little fun with this, right? And I'm going to put a circle here, or an oval rather, and this one goes off. So we're going to add some spheres. Spheres are circles or three-dimensional circles, which you might call balls, okay? And I can put a line here and I can shade it, or I can just put some curved lines in it to give you the idea that it is a sphere, a three-dimensional shape, and they're popping inside here. Now, maybe I want a cylinder, so I do a skinny circle, a line down, and a line down, and a curved line. Now, notice I can turn my paper, similar effect, okay? And if you want a shape like, I don't know, let's say you want a cube. So we're going to do a square. So any shape that you do, it's going to dab in the same direction. I'm going to dab mine to the right, just like that. And then I connect those dabbing lines. And bada boom, bada bang, I have a cube now. Now, this here invention doesn't look like it's going to amount to much. So I need to start maybe connecting some of these things so it looks like they belong together. I don't know. And maybe I'm going to put a bridge in here. That bridge could be see-through, but if it's not see-through, I need to erase this line. Now this eraser is not a very good eraser. It does have some purple spots in it. Sorry about that.